Antigone is a series of stories and full of a series of characters trying to be the best versions of themselves and trying to reveal their true colours in a world that doesn't want them to.
Antigone is a strong woman. She follows her heart. She risks her love. She risks her life to stay true to what she believes is right.
It's like the fate of your own destiny is what Antigone is all about. And like, do you have free will or do you have fate? Did Antigone know what she was doing all the way through? Or did she just allow her emotions to take her down a rabbit hole that left her in like decisions that turned into consequences?
What's particularly authentic about this one is the Greeks have such a power to them, and this version, there are modern elements in it, and it's also honouring all the things that you have with the classics, and with the power of both means that I think it's going to be even more immediate to audience members now.
Our actors are extraordinary, and they are now at the end of their 3 years training, where they've honed their craft, they've found their own individual practice and voice, and this really is, we're calling it the last dance. It's their final show. It feels there's a real group endeavour and commitment to making something wonderful and of the moment.
You probably will be looking at so many different things at the whole time you're watching Antigone. There's the citizens, which I play one of, and her name is Cass. And then you've got like the actual characters. So then you've got like all these different places to look, and your eyes is probably like a TV show, absorbing, consuming.
Greeks are so epic. They're huge plays, they require huge breath, require volume, require the whole of someone's existence.
We know each other. We've worked with each other 3 years, so we have great trust in the space. We're working with Orla, an amazing director. We are having Stef Smith, the writer, in the room. It's the first time that anybody's going to see that play. That's incredibly exciting.
And I'm excited to just be on the stage with everybody and absolutely crushing it and creating this sort of world. Now I think it's going to be really impressive, and I think once people step into the auditorium, they're going to be really transported into this world.
Come without too many expectations of what the ancient Greek plays are, what they're about, who they're for. So yeah, just come with an open heart, come ready to be surprised, and come and meet us. Yeah, just come and meet us in this work.